10 Evidence-based health benefits of cinnamon. Cinnamon is a powerful spice that has been used medicinally around the world for thousands of years. It is still used daily in many cultures because of the widespread cinnamon benefits, not to mention its distinctly sweet, warming taste and ease of use in recipes. So why is cinnamon good for you? In this video we talk 10 health benefits of cinnamon that are supported by scientific research. 1. Relieves inflammation. The antioxidants in cinnamon can help relieve inflammation, which may help lower the risk of heart disease, cancer, cognitive decline and more. Researchers have identified many different types of flavonoids in cinnamon, all of which are highly effective at fighting dangerous inflammation levels throughout the body. 2. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Cinnamon is loaded with powerful antioxidants, such as polyphenols. In a study that compared the antioxidant activity of 26 spices, cinnamon wound up as the clear winner, even outranking superfoods like garlic and oregano. In fact, it is so powerful that cinnamon can be used as a natural food preservative. 3. Cinnamon helps fight bacterial and fungal infections. Cinnamaldehyde, one of the main active components of cinnamon, may help fight various kinds of infection. Cinnamon oil has been shown to effectively treat respiratory tract infections caused by fungi. It can also inhibit the growth of certain bacteria, including Listeria and Salmonella. However, the evidence is limited and so far cinnamon has not been shown to reduce infections elsewhere in the body. 4. Reduces arthritis pain. Another of the very good and effective benefits of cinnamon comes in the form of pain reduction in case of joint inflammation, also known as arthritis. The anti-inflammatory agents in cinnamon powder can treat painful conditions like gout and other tissue disorders. It also contains certain antioxidants like cinnamaldehyde and cinnamic acid which can reduce the cell damage. 5. Protects heart health. Studies show that one of the top cinnamon health benefits is its ability to improve heart health. In fact, cinnamon has been shown to reduce several of the most common risk factors for heart disease, including high cholesterol levels, high triglyceride levels and high blood pressure to keep your heart healthy and strong. Cinnamon has also been shown to reduce high blood pressure, which is another risk factor for heart disease or a stroke. 6. Cinnamon may help fight the HIV virus. HIV is a virus that slowly breaks down your immune system, which can eventually lead to AIDS, if untreated. Cinnamon extracted from cassia varieties is thought to help fight against HIV-1, the most common strain of the HIV virus in humans. A laboratory study looking at HIV-infected cells found that cinnamon was the most effective treatment of all 69 medicinal plants studied. 7. Weight loss. The benefits of cinnamon for weight loss are incredible. The high levels of antioxidants in cinnamon powder make it a perfectly natural product for losing weight. It not only helps in flushing out the toxins but also in cleansing away the accumulated cellulite and fat. This regulates the entire system and helps you lose weight. Another way it helps in shedding those extra pounds is by improving the metabolic process with just about 1 cup of cinnamon tea prepared from the powder. 8. Cinnamon may protect against cancer. Cancer is a serious disease, characterized by uncontrolled cell growth. Cinnamon has been widely studied for its potential use in cancer prevention and treatment. Overall, the evidence is limited to test tube and animal studies, which suggest that cinnamon extracts may protect against cancer. It acts by reducing the growth of cancer cells and the formation of blood vessels in tumors and appears to be toxic to cancer cells, causing cell death. A study in mice with colon cancer revealed that cinnamon is a potent activator of detoxifying enzymes in the colon, protecting against further cancer growth. 9. Cinnamon lowers blood sugar levels and has a powerful anti-diabetic effect. Cinnamon is well known for its blood sugar lowering properties. Apart from the beneficial effects on insulin resistance, cinnamon can lower blood sugar by several other mechanisms. First, cinnamon has been shown to decrease the amount of glucose that enters your bloodstream after a meal. It does this by interfering with numerous digestive enzymes, which slows the breakdown of carbohydrates in your digestive tract. Second, a compound in cinnamon can act on cells by mimicking insulin. This greatly improves glucose uptake by your cells, though it acts much slower than insulin itself. Numerous human studies have confirmed the anti-diabetic effects of cinnamon, showing that it can lower fasting blood sugar levels by 10 to 29%. 10. Benefits skin health. The potential cinnamon benefits for skin are rooted in its antibiotic and antimicrobial properties, which can help protect skin from irritation, rashes, allergic reactions and infection. Applying cinnamon essential oil directly to the skin can be helpful in reducing inflammation, swelling, pain and redness. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, share and make sure to subscribe. Health Tutor, because more incredible content on the way.